Hi and welcome back to another video here from the Wild and Woolly Farm. So this year the rain has been sparse. So when the weather forecast has promised rain, we thought let's make a pond, because we have this field and it needs more water for the grass to grow, so the sheep can have lots of lovely luscious green grass.
So once again, Maria and I got the shovels out and tried to find a good spot to dig fast.
And here we have Nora. She wants to help digging as well. She is like the crazy girl at the farm. She always wants to get her head into a lot of different things. She's very curious and very smart.
I am so very proud of the girls and how much and how far they came in a very short time. This is going to be a very beautiful project.
So I was out for a little while with Søren, and when we got back, the pond looked like a sheep.
When Siv and Søren came home, they brought a tarp with them. And after a little while of having a lovely lunch, we put the tarp into the pond. And then we were ready for the rain to arrive.
Unfortunately, the rain didn't come. Quite frustrating. So I cheated a bit and took some water from our animal well and filled up the nicely pond that the girls have made.
We are quite proud of the result. Our new sheep pond, looking lovely. Hopefully it will water the grass for the sheep when the rain is not arriving.
As soon as the lambs saw the new pond, of course they wanted to go and investigate. Have a little drink, have a little sniff, and be sure not to fall inside.
But finally the rain came that night.
So after 1 month or 20 days, after 20 days, it's finally
24 days.
Correct. So after 24 days, it's finally raining here on our Wild and Woolly Farm, and the grass will now luckily grow, so the sheep get some food. This is very good. We were fearing for drought this year. It gets to the sheep. Correct.
Can you hear the rain tonight? The next morning everything looked so much greener. The bees was happy. The grass looked like it stretched itself twice only through the night. But all in all, it only rained 5 millimeters. So about 5% of what we usually get in May.
So now the sheep and the lamb has a lot of delicious fresh grass to eat.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.